students, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to start our new topic, that is perimeter. When we talk about the perimeter, here we are having some concept of perimeters, just like what we have to do in perimeter. So if we are having any figure and any area and any plot or any page, and we have to find out the length of the total length of boundary, that is our perimeter. Clear? Okay, next. Okay, come here. Let's see what we are having here. We are in some curves and polygon, perimeter, perimeter of triangle, rectangle, square. Okay, and problem on perimeters. Okay, let's see what we are having next here. So the first we are having curve. In this figure, we are having some curves. Then see what we are having here. The figure traced out with a sharp tip of pencil without lifting, it is known as a curve. Suppose I make a line, curved line just like this is a curve. I make this line, this is a curve. Okay, we are making this line. Okay, so these are the curves which we are going to see. Okay, now we are having, look at the figure 1, 2, 3. These curves start from one point A and at point B. These curves do not end at the starting point. And here we are having 6th and 9th position, just like this one. These curves end at the starting point, such curves are called closed curves. See, if we look here, this curve, this is a curve, not. This is a straight line figure. Okay, come to our next part. Here we are having a curve which begins and ends at the same point are called closed curve, and the closed curve which does not intersect itself is called simple closed curve. Okay, so these are the curves we are having here. Next we are having polygon. So let's see what we are having in polygon. Okay, so we are having different kinds of figures here, just like triangle, parallel, pentagon, hexagon. Let's see the definition. A simple closed curve made up of line segments is called polygon. Each line segment of polygon is said to be the side of it. Obviously, a polygon has at least 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Minimum 3 sides. We have 4-sided figure, that is quadrilateral. Then we are having 5-sided figure, that is pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there is something wrong here. Okay, let's make a pentagon 5 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a pentagon. In hexagon, we are having 6 sides. So this figure is for hexagon. Before y. Okay. Okay. Let's see how many sides are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is our hexagon which has 6 sides. Okay. Now move to our next part. Okay. Here we are having exercise. Exercise, that is 10A. Which of the following are called closed curves? So if we talk about this part, this is closed curve because the starting and ending point are the same. Here we are having E point. So this is also our closed curve. Come to our next part. Next is question number 2. Which of the following are simple closed curve? So here we are having those who do not intersect each other are called simple closed curve, just like this. Clear? Next, which of the following figure are polygon? So if we see here, we are in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is pentagon, so we can say that this is our polygon. Clear? So come to our next part. Okay, here we are at question number 4, that is fill in the blanks. So let's see what we are having. Question number A first. There is a quadrilateral has how many sides? So we have four sides. Okay, a closed curve having five line segments is called, this is pentagon, which is known as polygon also. Okay, come to our next part. Now we are having perimeter. Let's see what we are having perimeter. The length of the boundary of a simple closed figure is called perimeter. If we talk about the length of the boundary, so that is a perimeter, and the perimeter of a polygon is the sum of its sides. So here we are having triangle, the sum of three sides is called perimeter of triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sides, sum is perimeter of quadrilateral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-sided figure we are having, that is pattern. So come to our next part. Okay, let's see, we are having perimeter of triangle, rectangle and square. If we talk about the perimeter of triangle, we have to simply sum of the length of side, just like AB, BC and C. Okay, then now we are going to find out the perimeter of rectangle. So here we are having sum of four sides, AB, BC, CD, DA, or we can use the formula, that is twice of length or twice of breadth, or we can say that that is twice of length plus breadth. Okay, so this is the perimeter of rectangle is equals to twice of length plus breadth. Okay, now come to next part, that is a square. If we talk about the perimeter of square, here we are having, that is sum of sides, that is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. If we see, we in squares we have all four sides are equal. So we can say that AB plus AB plus AB plus AB, and this is 4 times of AB, just like, so we can say that perimeter of square is 4 into length of one side. Okay. Okay, here we are having exercise, that is 10B, and we have to find out question number 1. That is find the perimeter of each of the following rectangle. So let's pick this question. If we look here, we are having length, because it is a rectangle, because opposite sides are equal, length is 5 centimeter, and here breadth is 4 centimeter. Okay, so now we are going to find out the perimeter of rectangle. Okay, so we are having perimeter of rectangle is, that is twice of length plus breadth. So here we are having twice is 2, length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. So we are in 5 plus 4, 9 to the 18 centimeter. Clear? Okay, so this is our solution. Okay, now come to our next part, that is question number 2. Find the perimeter of each of the following squares. So let's pick B part from here. So students, here we are having a square and the side of square is 3 centimeter. So we can say that side equals to 3 centimeter and we have to find out the perimeter of square. So perimeter square is 4 into side. So here we are having 4 and side we are having 3 centimeter. So 4 3s are, this is 12 centimeter. Clear? So this is our formula. Okay. Now we are having question number 3. Measure the side of each of the following triangle and find the perimeter. Okay, let's pick one figure from here. Just like this one. So the first thing we are going to use is our ruler. So here we are having, this is 0 and we have measured it, that is 4.8. So we can say that this is 4.8 centimeter. Now again we are going to use our ruler and here we are having 3 centimeter. So this is our 3 centimeter and again we are going to measure this one. So this is also 3 centimeter. So this is 3 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter. Clear? So now we are going to find out the perimeter of triangle. So we have seen that is perimeter of triangle. So perimeter of triangle is sum of all sides clear. So here we are having 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 4.8 centimeters. So we can see that's 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, that is 10.8 centimeter. That is our answer. Okay. So come to our next part. Okay. Let's pick question number 5. Okay. Here we are having the perimeter of square is 44. What is the length of its side? So we know that the formula of perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Okay. So here we are having perimeter is 44 centimeter equals to 4 into side. So if we divide this 44, so we are going to divide it by this 44 by this 4. Just like this, we are having the length of side. So we are having 11 centimeter equals to side. Clear? So this is our answer. Okay, now come to our next question. So we have done here. So next topic we are having, that is problem on perimeters. So let's see what we are having here. Okay, nothing is here. Let's come to the next part. Okay, here we are having our exercise, that is 10C. Let's pick a question. Okay, let's pick a question number 3. Okay, here we are having our question, that is a rectangular park is 40-meter long and 20-meter broad, and the barbed wire fence is to be put up all around it. Okay, we are going to do a fencing. So first thing we have to do is we have to find out the perimeter of the 8 rectangular park, and then we have to find out the cost of putting the fence at a cost of 5 per meter. Okay, so let's start our question. So here we are having, length of park, that is 40 meter. Then we are having, that is breadth of park, that is 20 meters. After that we are having, okay, now we are going to find out the perimeter of park. To find out the perimeter of park, we are having twice of length plus breadth. So here we are having 2, and length is 40 and the breadth is 20. I think meter is this, yes, meter. So if we solve them, that is twice of 40 plus 20, that is 60 meter. So here we are having 120 meter as an answer. Clear? But our question is not finished here. One thing we have to do is we have to find out the cost of fencing, which is 5 per meter. So we are having total 120 meter. So that is cost of fencing our cost of 1 meter fencing is rupees 5. Then cost of 120 meter fencing is, it is 120 meter into 5. 12 5 is 60 and 1 0 away. So we are having total 600 rupees for the fencer. Okay, so this is a solution. So our topic perimeters done. So I hope this is clear to you, and I hope you will practice it as more as you can. And next time, see you in next video. Till then, all the best.